Hello everyone, welcome back to my ERPNext demo series. I am Ankit Raj Gupta, Senior Business Analyst at InfoTechBrains. So in today's videos, we are going to explore the CRM module in ERPNext, which stands for Customer Relationship Management. So CRM helps you to track and manage leads, and you can also manage your sales pipeline just in one place. So whether you are in sales, support or management, a CRM module helps ensure that no lead is lost, no follow-up is missed, and your sales process stay organized. So you can able to see a window in front of you. And now you all are familiar about what are modules. So under CRM, basically it helps you to manage your leads. And this is the dashboard that you are seeing here. So under this lead section, if I click on it, you can able to see that there are some leads which are already created, and you might be seeing that something is written in this status, that is for Dr. Sudhanshu Sharma. The status is converted. What does this mean? It means that this lead is converted. Now these are customer. Okay, so similarly, the status defines what is the current stage of this lead. And according to this, you can track your lead, right? So this is very easy. If you want to add a lead, then you just have to tab here, add, and you can get this type of window where you can fill the basic details. What is the solution and what is the job title, first name, source. So I will show you how to fill it. First, let's understand what is this source. So source is basically from where this lead come from. So either like it can be come from advertisement, campaign, cold calling, or let's say you have an existing customer. So might be there is a possibility that the existing customer refer a new lead. So you can select existing customer. So once you will tap on existing customer, see a new option will appear from which customer. So you just have to click it, and you have to add which customer given this lead. Okay, so there are a lot of customers which are there, but if you let's say uh, if you want to create a new customer, then you can also create a new customer that comes under CRM as like only. I'll show you now. This is basically a lead owner. So lead owner is basically the person or the user from your organization who is responsible for this lead. So you can also assign a lead owner here. You can change from here that like to which you want to refer this lead as. So let's say in this case I'm assigning this to myself. Okay, and from customer, let's say it come from the email campaign. Okay, so what is the lead type basically? So either the lead is a client or a channel partner or a consultant. So there might be a possibility that this lead is your channel partner. Okay, so you can select your lead type. Okay, and all the basic information, email or like organization name, and all the basic details you have to fill here. You have to fill the address or not. And like yeah, so whether this lead is a qualified is like lead or a, like unqualified lead, so you can, or in process, so you can select the status of this lead. Okay, like the qualification status, like qualified by whom and qualified on whom. So all the basic information you can put here. Okay, now, so let's say this Shubham Swami is a lead which is already created. So under this detail section, you can able to get the information. The first name is Shubham, and the source is advertisement. The lead type is client, and the status is lead. Now I'll tell you what is lead, what is open status, and what is basically opportunity, what is lost quotation. So all the stuffs are here. Okay, so yes. So now, what do you understand by the lead? So lead is basically a default stage when a new lead is created. It means that the person or a company has shown initial interest, but you haven't engaged yet. Let's say example that someone fills out a contact form on your website, and you got this information. Okay, so this is just a lead. Okay, think of this as a raw inquiry, not yet qualified. Okay, now, what does mean by open? Let's say I want to convert this lead into a open status. What does this mean? So this means that you have acknowledged the lead and possibly started some level of engagement. Okay, so this is open stage. It means something is going between the company and the lead. some transaction, or it is some communication is going between the lead and the company, but it hasn't started, like the proper process hasn't started. Like you are either waiting for a response or planning for the next step. Example, we can say that you have sent them an intro mail or made the first call. So open use open when the lead is active but not moving forward yet, right? Now what is opportunity? So let's say if I want to put it in the opportunity, okay. So opportunity is basically a qualified lead and someone who has shown genuine interest and could become a paying customer. There is a chance that this customer can pay. Okay. So in ERP Next, you can create an opportunity document linked in this lead and track the deals. So basically, opportunity means sales process has officially started. Now, let's say this is under the quotation stage. It means like we have made a quotation for this lead. Let's say the lead inquired something. Okay, our company is selling some item. So for an example, I'll just explain in a very good way. Just be patient, and I will in the first video you might have learned about the stock and about the item. So in under items, our category is mentioned. We can create item, we can add item, that that will be deeply covered under manufacturing or under stock. You can able to understand in a better way. So let's say for now, for your understanding, one item is created, that is the furniture wood. Okay. So under furniture wood, okay, sorry, this is an asset, so I'm not going to this. Let's say okay. Mm-mm. Kitchen is also okay. Coffee mug is a demo item group, and bottles. Yeah, let's come into the bottle. So bottle is basically an item, and its valuation rate is 50. Okay. Now let's say this Subham Swami, Dr. Swami has a company, and as like as here he's a doctor. So but let's say we got this lead from our source called as an advertisement. Okay. Now this lead demanded a quotation for, let's say 30 bottles, right? Let's say 30 bottles. So from here, from this lead, once we created a lead, and this lead is now in the open, we'll save it. Okay. So we can from here, from this section, create button. If you will click it, we got the option like customer, opportunity, quotation, and prospect. So what is opportunity? What is prospect? So prospect is basically a lead or a customer which has shown its interest but not yet confirmed. It means that the sales process not started. But opportunities may like basically the customer uh, who is like there is a better chances, or there is more possibility of making this lead as a customer. It means he or she is ready to pay. So from here, let's say we had a conversation with this Dr. Shubham Swami, and on the call conversation, we got to know that this customer want a quotation for 30 water bottle, for 30 bottle. So from here, lead only we can create a quotation. So once we will click on quotation, automatically a new quotation window will appear, and you can say our company name, order type is sales, date is today's date, valid till which date, and quotation to lead. So we are assigning this quotation to a lead. So this is lead ID, this is customer automatically come, and under item we can add item, right? So let's say he inquired for bottles, right? Yeah, so bottle. So bottle, see, automatically a rate came here, right? So let's say inquired for 30 bottles. So I'll create a bottle for 30. Okay. So now total USD dollar in terms. So basically we can change the this unit, whether it's 1 rupees or in terms of USD. We can change this. That I'll cover later how to do that. And for now, let's understand how it looks like. Okay. So under this tax category, we can also add our tax category, whether it is out state, in state, anything we can add, right? And under let's say we have some shipping rule, then we can create our new shipping rule. So see how much information we can give, right? That depends upon the company to company. So in the sales and taxes, we can also add like this tax can be calculated on the net total on the previous row amount. Let's say if there is some previous amount, and also now you want to add sales and tax charges on that also, so there is an option for that also, right? Or actually you can select anything, you can select. But for now I'm not selecting anything, because we are just seeing how it looks like. So you can just save it. So see, a quotation is created. If you want to do any change, you can change it, otherwise you have to submit it. Or you want to see how it looks like, then you have to click on this pen button, see how the quotation look like. And it can be modified. It can be modified, this print format can be modified. So if some company want a different print format, then they can also make it. So it is highly customizable, right? But for now, for the default version, this is how it looks like. It's also very informative, and all the stuffs you can see the contact name, the inwards and round off, and what are these required, like what is the rate which is quoted, right? So everything you can see under this under this quotation, okay?